My name is Patrick. I'm a medical oncologist by training, so a physician. I'm working in the pharmaceutical industry for about 10 years now. I looked out for an MBA to understand, on one hand side, better the commercial aspects, but also it's very important for me to understand the regulatory aspects and a bit like financial and these kind of things, yeah. Since I graduated from the pharma MBA, I changed employer. I grew into a more responsible position, if you wish. The program informed me about a lot of different aspects. When I joined industry, I was a medical oncologist with a strong focus on medical oncology. I think I did do well in the clinic, yeah, and I know the science of oncology, yet I did not have any clue, or not really much of a clue around it. And the development of a compound requires a lot of different functions with very specialized knowledge. And it got clear to me pretty early on in that career in clinical development that I'm missing this knowledge. I expected several things. I expected on one hand side to interact with a lot of different people with different backgrounds, different tasks, different functions. And yes, that obviously was very well obtained. We are still today in contact. As a physician, yeah, you know a bit of stats. You know a bit of math in that sense. I was at least always thinking, what do those people do in financial? How does accounting work? It was a bit like magic to me. Yeah? How do they do the cost calculations? And well, then they explain you the basics, and you're like, oh, it's not that difficult. Yeah, you could probably do it if you wanted to go there. It helped you understand a lot of different functions, and I think that was a magical moment. So my tips for current students would be to go into the program open-minded, to discuss with the peers, to discuss with the students, to discuss with the professors and teachers, to ask, to challenge the opinions, to challenge it. And it's about opinions. It's not about what is taught. It's about the opinions, to discuss the cases and work on the cases collaboratively in the teams that that are built there. The Pharma MBA for me is interaction with peers and professors. It's excelling in the life and working together with people who want to excel, and it's gaining knowledge.